Like, we don't even have a pump, guys. This is pre-pump, okay?
It's 1985, and we're gonna do a bodybuilding workout. Grandma, Mom is gonna show.
Grandma Sarah.
Yeah.
I mean, granddaughter Sarah. I'm only 4.
Okay. Mom is gonna show daughter, who is a Olympic style weightlifter, how we worked out back in the 80s.
I'm Seraphina. I'm Miyoko's daughter, the oldest and the most beautiful. And I am a former nationally competitive weightlifter. Now I have a full-time job, but I've just recently gotten back into coaching. And I'm
vegan.
And I'm fully vegan as well.
Plant-based power.
Plant-based power. And I do have an Instagram, The Asian Girl That Could. My whole page really focuses on promoting veganism within the athletic space and showing that you can be competitive and strong while also eating a plant-based diet. And Mom is gonna take us through a bodybuilding workout, which is not my specialty, but I do love bodybuilding accessory pieces, so this will be interesting to see how it goes. I also offer online coaching from anything from strength and conditioning to weightlifting to powerlifting to just simply wanting to get a fatter ass. I have you covered.
There I am back in the 1980s, pumping iron, and this other bodybuilder and I were training this young TV star. And somehow I've held on to this magazine all these years. The idea was we were taking a television star through a workout routine that he could do at home. So even if you didn't have weights, you could do leg raises with books. You could lift a bucket full of water, could do dumbbell flies with phone books. Back then we had these heavy phone books. So we're gonna simulate some of those workouts. And I can tell you back in the 80s, I went to Silver Gym, and the way we worked out was we did 3 sets of every exercise and then you moved on. All right, well, shall we warm up first?
Let's do it, Mom.
All right. Remember what I did, that's the thing. Like this whole idea of this workout.
Working out 80s style with dementia.
I don't remember what the warm-up was. You're talking about 40 years ago. Arm circles?
Yeah, I like to do PVC pastures, but this is your workout. This is your workout.
Let's touch toes. 20 squats.
20?
Squats.
Let's go, girls. Pick up the pace.
All right, well, let's do some light dumbbell presses. That's right. Keep it strong. Come on, one last push. Okay, good. 10. Next thing we're gonna do is dumbbell flies. All right, so get down here. Today I don't do these moves because I'm not interested in building specific muscles. I'm really,
into functional fitness.
I'm into functional fitness. I just want to stay strong. When you're over my age, you know, when you're my age. You lose muscle mass, you lose bone density, and so I just work out to maintain those. Stay strong now. Good job. All right. All right, that's good. Good job. As long as I don't drop
you
it on
pick
your
up
head.
the dumbbell.
All right, next we're gonna do dumbbell rows, all right? So you're gonna put your knee here like this, and you're gonna take a dumbbell, and you're just gonna pull it. You can do a 25-pounder. I'm sure you can do that. Okay? All right.
Here we go.
Ichi. Ni.
3、4、5、6、7、
That's good, thank you.
Next on the agenda is barbell presses.
What, really?
Yeah, we used to do presses all the time.
All right.
始めましょう。あ、すごい。強い。強い。
What's suyoi?
Strong.
Yeah, I
Wow.
know it's suyoi. Guys,
Hi.
guys, I took Japanese 1, okay? This isn't my first rodeo. Spot, I need a spot, I need a spot.
Okay.
Get your vagina out my face, please. Nice, Mom. Look at you, strong mommy. You look amazing.
All right, lower it. Good.
And raise it.
Can you go a little lower? or
Lower
is that
it. And
Oh,
raise
there
it.
you go. Up. There you go. Good job. All right, keep going. Don't give up.
Mom, I want to give up. What do I do?
諦めないでね。頑張ってね。はい、頑張って。頑張って。
Did you coach in a baby voice as well?
All right, let's go. 1, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Wow, yatta ne!
All right, we're gonna start off with this pose right here. Okay.
Hey, anybody can work out at home. You don't need a lot of equipment. All you need is a toy bucket.
Whoa, crikey! Next one we're gonna do, scared of bucket exercise.
Don't drop it on me.
Blonk.
Hurry
I
up.
can't, my ankle.
I'm gonna fall off.
So this is
I didn't get credit for it, but I was the ghost translator for that.
Say it again.
I was the ghost translator for that book into Japanese. I didn't get the credit for it. Somebody else who was well known did, but that person didn't speak English. So I can't go back anymore.
Dude, you pray tonight.
All right, here we go. All right, keep it up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Japanese.
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. はい、いいですよ。
Very hard, very hard.
Very hard, hard.
Hard, very hard.
I don't know what this is.
It's not a real movement, nor is this a real exercise.
It's a stretch.
I think it's only a stretch if I pull you back.
Well,
like
yeah,
that.
it's just the whole point is that it's stupid.
What?
Okay, handstand. Catch my feet, Mom.
Oh my God, I don't know if I can. Whoa!
Okay, catch my feet means catch my feet.
Wait. The weight.
How was the workout?
Good.
Yeah? You think you'll incorporate any of the moves in your routine?
Definitely the book
Yeah.
fly. The book
Yeah.
fly for me, lots of pec and frontal
I'm trying to practice push-ups.
front delts. Bodybuilding's tough. I'm not gonna lie. The pail, the assisted pail movement, difficult. The handstand for no reason, hard. Actually, I will say the book, I will say if you are ever traveling and you need a weight for your hollow rocks or any kind of core work, the book's 10 out of 10 recommend.
Yeah, because people travel with 50 pounds of things.
You know when you're traveling with an encyclopedia and you need to do weight and you have to do core work at the same time?
A lot of hotels have libraries, so.
Yeah. Thanks for taking me through your bodybuilding workout, Mom.
Well, it was a sheer pleasure, my darling.